How to fix the Steam client Bootstrapper high CPU usage. Method 1. Disable GPU accelerated rendering in web views. Open Steam client. In the menu bar, click Steam and then click Settings. Select Interface in the left pane. Uncheck the GPU accelerated rendering in web views option. Click OK to save the new setting. Click the Restart button when prompted. Method 2. Set library as the default start window. Open Steam client. In the menu bar, click Steam and then click Settings. Select Interface in the left pane. Select Library instead of Store as the start window. Click OK to save the new setting. Click Steam in the menu bar, and click Exit. Relaunch Steam. Method 3. Change Steam client skin to default. Open Steam client. In the menu bar, click Steam and then click Settings. Select Interface in the left pane. Open the drop-down menu under Select the skin you wish Steam to use, and select the default skin. Click OK to save the new setting. Click the Restart button when prompted. Method 4. Disable Steam overlay. Open Steam client. In the menu bar, click Steam and then click Settings. Navigate to the In-Game tab. Enable the Steam overlay if it's disabled, and click OK. Then disable the Steam overlay and click OK. Click Steam in the menu bar and click Exit. Relaunch Steam. Method 5. Repair Steam service. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. Then type in CMD in the dialog box and hold down Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys to open the elevated command prompt. In the command prompt window, type in the command shown on the screen, and hit the Enter key. You can copy this command from our article linked in the video description. Thank you for watching.